Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sweet and Nails. I hope you all are doing amazing today. This video is going to be a lot more relaxed. It's not going to be a tutorial. It's going to be more of a watch me work style video, so I hope that's okay. I just need a little bit of a break from editing and voiceovers because I'm trying to conserve my energy for some fun projects I have coming up on my channel, so stay tuned for that. And if you're not subscribed but you want to know more about that, then definitely go ahead and subscribe. Hit that notification bell as well so that way you know when I upload. I'm gonna be honest with you all, I was definitely on the struggle bus with this set and just filming something in general. I've sat down a few times trying to film a video and I just could not get it out of me. Anyways, I am gonna stop talking now and let you all enjoy this video. I will pop in at the end just to say thank you and bye bye. is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment. I always love hearing from you all. And don't forget to subscribe. I have some really cool things coming up, and I want you to stick around for the journey. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.